Hey, what's up guys? Jay here from Commodic Reviews, and today we are gonna be checking this one out. This is the Hohem Go 2-axis AI auto tracking holder. What are we waiting for? Let's do this! Full disclosure before we move on with this review, Hohem sent this to us for us to check out. However, rest assured that I will be giving my honest review of this product. So what is the Hohem Go? Simply put, it's a holder that has an AI tracking that has 2 axes that you can use when you're shooting your videos or taking photos. I just want to show you first what you're gonna get out of the box when you buy this. So you're gonna have your documentation. Very simple, but definitely useful. Then you have your USB-A to USB-C cable. And then lastly, you have the Hohem Go device itself. Just 3 items, but that's all that you need. Now let's focus a bit more on the Hohem Go device itself. So if you look at it, it looks like, it looks like a toy. Right, it's made out of plastic. Then you have this, I think this is still plastic but just in metal finish. Then so that the thing that you can see here, this lens, this is basically the sensor of the Hohem Go device. Then you have this clamp here that is operated, or you'll secure your cell phone or your tablet here via this turnkey here. So for example, if I have my phone here, let's just say I'm gonna put it here, and then the way for me to tighten it is by using this here at the back, right? And then this one can move this way, and it also can move this way. So that's what makes it 2-axis. Now at the back you will see the port for your USB-C cable, which is for charging, so this is rechargeable. And then this is a light indicator, which we will show later. And then at the same time, this is also your on and off button. Then at the bottom of the device is this screw thread, so that you can place this on tripods, so that just in case you need a tripod, you can still put this on top of a tripod. Now, how does this work? It's very simple. So let's just say we're gonna put our cell phone here. So I'm gonna put my cell phone here and then secure it here. And all I gotta do now is turn this on by pressing this around 3 seconds. And once you've done that, it's gonna turn blue. Now, when it's turned blue, it means that there's no tracking that's happening yet. For it, or for the tracking to be triggered, you have to give a gesture, and the gesture that you're gonna give is this gesture, the OK gesture. So for example, let's try that. I'm just gonna put this on this tripod so that you can see it on the camera itself as well. So there you go. That's the beauty of having that screw thread. You can put it on a tripod like this, and then you can put it there. So there you go. So what's gonna happen here? So if I put this here, so right now, so let's just say I am turning my cell phone on, my camera. Let's say I want to shoot a video. So there we go. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give this the OK gesture like this. So once I've done that, this Hohem Go is now tracking me. So if I move to the right, it will follow me, as you can see from the camera right now. So right now, if I am shooting a video on my cell phone, all I just gotta do is give that gesture, and then I can move around, I can walk, and as you can see, it's following me, right? So as you can see from here, if I press that record, it's gonna move. It also can follow me a little bit. If I move a bit down, it's also gonna move a bit down. If I move up, it's gonna move back up. Now, the beauty of having this, right, is that it doesn't matter whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, because The sensor is independent of the OS of the phone that you are using. All of the sensors, all of the tracking is happening inside this device. Now, aside from that, of course, you can record via this horizontal landscape orientation, but also you can record via portrait orientation. So for example, right now it's tracking me. Let's say I want to stop tracking. All I gotta do for it to stop tracking is to give this gesture. So once I've done that, the color will actually change to blue again from green once it's tracking. So I can now, let's just say I just want to record in portrait mode. I can also do that. So some of the videos now, for example, TikTok is always horizontal or portrait orientation. So there we go. So if you want it to track us again, all you gotta do is give it the OK gesture, and then it's tracking us again. So the blue light that you saw a while ago, when tracking is actually active, it's gonna turn green. So if I can show that to you, as you can see from here, the color is actually green. There you go. And that is once the tracking is enabled, it is color green. So right now I can record this, I can move around, and then it's just gonna follow me. Now, one thing about this, and it was a surprise to me, but this can do 360 tracking. So it's just not limited to 180 like this. It can move around 360. Of course, I cannot do it now here because I am limited with the space that we have, but as you can see, I'm already here and it's still tracking me. And if I move around here as well, just continue walking, it will just follow me. So that is as simple as it gets when it comes to this Hohem Go 2-axis AI tracking holder. So let me just stop this. Right, there you go. As simple as that, we've shown how this one actually works. Now, what do I think of this device? I think this device is actually very useful, especially for those content creators. Whether you do TikToks, you do some YouTube videos, you do shorts, YouTube shorts, you do Instagram reels, especially those type of creators. And when you shoot on your own, right, by yourself, this is gonna be very helpful for you. I thought that the tracking was very good. I tried it while I was skateboarding. Just want to see how it's good when it comes to following me without actually just phasing it. It's actually very good. Now, one thing that I noticed here that maybe Hohem can do some improvements next time or in the next generation is that sometimes the following is a little bit staggering. So I'm moving sideways. I'm trying to move as slowly or as smooth as I can, but sometimes the movement just a little bit robotic, but overall it's still smoother than as I would expect it to be. So I think that's still good, but just a room for improvement. Overall, I am very much impressed with this. The fact that you can use different devices. You're not limited to a certain OS. You don't need any software or app to download on your phone just to make it work. That's a very big plus for content creators and those that create or make videos and take photos on their own. You can use it like this. You can include this as part of your setup like this, and also of course but this is much better when it's in the tripod setup mode like this. Alright, so what do you think of the Hohem Go? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. And if you like videos like this, please do give this channel some love and hit the subscribe button. Alright, that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.